For others in the West, finding a mate is the least of their worries. Over 20 million free-tailed bats, one of the largest gatherings of mammals on Earth, flock to this sheltered Texas cave each spring to mate and have pups. These baby bats have to grow up fast. Tonight, at just a month old, this little guy will fly up to 100 miles in search of food. On his very first flight. As evening falls, the bats start to leave. They'll get more time to feed by heading out early. But leaving their sanctuary in daylight is a gamble. There's danger from above. A Swainson's hawk. And even greater danger from below. Cactus spines snag the inexperienced pups. Making them an easy target.